Once again, you're welcome to Money Matter channel, where we produce soap, where you produce other cosmetics. Okay, you can see this is second part of how to remove the odor from your tallow oil. Let's get into it. Okay, so to remove this, the second one, I've done the first one, and look at how it's coming out beautiful. So how do we go about it? This is the tallow oil that we want to make. We want to remove the odor from. You have to slice it first. I've already sliced it, so I put it in my bowl to be heated on fire. After putting it, I will be heating it on the fire to melt it. But what do I put in this one? If you remember the first one, if you are yet to watch the first one, you wash it, and there I haven't put the solidified tallow oil in the bowl. What else do I put to remove the odor? Just get a medium size of onion, and then you slice it on the oil. And of course, it depends on the quantity of oil you want to do. That will determine the onion you put. About half of this one is enough, of course. You know, tallow oil is edible, onion is edible. Onion doesn't have any negative effect on the skin or on your fabric. That is after you have used the tallow oil to make your soap. Okay, so I haven't cut it now. I took it to my fire. I took it to fire and I heated it, and then the oil melted. Okay, for this one you can let it stay for about 10 to 15 minutes on fire, so that the onion penetrates very well into it. So you keep stirring it until you are sure that everything is well melted. So when it's melted, what is the next thing you do? You can allow it to still be relaxed inside the oil for some time. Okay, so that you can be sure that all the impurities have been removed. So when you have brought it down from the fire, the next thing is that we'll remove the onion. Okay, the sliced onion from the oil. This one, of course, is not useful again. Throw it away because the nutrients in the oil is already melted. The nutrients in the onion is already melted up. Okay, so you keep removing it until the onion is no more there. Okay, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe and click on that notification bell so that each time I upload new content, educative content like this, you'll be among the first set of people to receive it. Okay, and presently we are running free online classes presently. Okay, and then we have run other private online classes. You can reach me through the link or reach me on my number as indicated on the screen. Okay, so now we are good to go. We can start removing our oil. Now we can remove the oil from separate the impurities from the right oil. Okay, yes, thanks so much for staying till now. I appreciate you. I'm not taking you for granted. Do share out my video, share it out, make constructive comments, make your request of anyone you want us to make, and by God's grace we'll be able to get it across to you. So you remove the oil, okay, and if you decide to sieve it, you should still be very careful. If you decide if you're in a hurry and you want it fast, you can pour it like this, but be very careful that you do not pour the impurity with it. Okay, so we discuss the impurity. The discard the impurity. So that's enough. You can leave that, and you can see how it's coming out beautifully, very transparent. So this your oil is ready for soap production, okay, either for bathing soap or for washing